Hello everybody, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the goodcaster.com pop-up error on your Windows. This error usually comes when you download any file from your torrents, or this error usually comes when you are going to download any file from any website that contains malwares, that contains trojans. But no need to be worried. In this video I will show you how to fix this error. So what you're gonna do, you need to install this Malwarebytes program. And I have already installed this software. This thegoodcaster.com pop-up error is really frustrating. It randomly comes whenever you are using Firefox or any other browser. It automatically opens the browser even it is closed, and the pop-up the Goodcaster window appear on that browser. So I am here with a solution and I will show you how to fix this problem in this video. So watch this video till end. First of all, you need to go to your browser, and this is the official website from where you can get this software. Malwarebytes, that is cybersecurity software. This Malwarebytes cybersecurity is a freeware program. Whether you are using Windows, Mac, Linux or iOS or Android, it is compatible with all platforms. So this is the link for free download. You have to simply click on free download and you have to simply install that. I have already downloaded and installed this software, and I have shown you just the demo for that. Then you need to go to your desktop and go to that program and right click on that, and then you have to click run as administrator. So then the main interface of this program will be shown to you like this, that is Malwarebytes premium trial version. This is a premium trial version, but it will give you full access of all the features for just 13 days. So you simply have to click on scan now option. Then you need to click on scan now option, click on that. Now you need to let all this process to be done. It will automatically fix bugs, trojans, viruses and malwares from your system. So you have to be patient. You have to wait for that. Now in this way it will fix all the viruses on your PC, whether they are malwares, whether they are trojans, whether they are viruses. So I will highly recommend you to use this software Malwarebytes. This is the premium trial version, but it's giving the full features for 13 days. So you can use these premium features for 13 days. After the scan results, it will show you all of the threat scan results. This includes all of the malwares. Basically, these malwares are the reason that were badly affecting your PC and are the reason for that virus. So you have to delete all of these Malwarebytes. After this process, you need to restart your PC because these changes will take effect after restart. After restart, your PC will be healthier without any malware, any trojan or any virus. So I hope this video was really helpful for you guys. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel for more upcoming tech related videos, computer guides, Android related stuff, Kodi add-ons and IPTV related stuff. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.